Back like we never left. What is good, everybody? Today's video, the new Rebound? Oh, they ain't got shit on you. Now, you already know how I get down. I don't like to waste time, and I'm ready to get into it, so let's do that right now. Who the fuck you try to fool? Yourself into downplaying your greatness? See, you know what we don't do enough of after a breakup or divorce? Give ourselves enough credit, you know, for all of the wonderful things that we did, how much you showed up every single day at your highest and best for your partner, how you created a soft landing spot when they were having rough days, how you made their life better, easier, planned special occasions, poured into them emotionally, and sometimes, just sometimes, carried that whole ass relationship by your damn self. The problem? We don't start recognizing that grown ass adults like your ex didn't just wake up one day, revamp their entire character, start realizing they were a shitty partner, and then decide to pour all of their effort and energy into the new Rebound? Nah, this has been a commitment for a long ass time for them to exit stage left when things got difficult in their life, specifically in that relationship. See, when you started asking questions, putting pressure on them to commit, becoming indifferent to the chaos being caused, it scares the shit out of motherfuckers that don't want to heal the parts of them that would make them confront their past. And that's not what you signed up for, was it? You signed up for healthy levels of communication, standing in your truth, but being respectful of your partner's views. You signed up for loyalty and commitment long after that intoxicating feeling of new wears off in a relationship. Oh, but not your ex. See, they thought it was easier to disconnect emotionally, move on while still with you, and take the harder way out. Wait, what? Yes, you heard me right. That wasn't the easy way. Because consider this. It takes so much time, effort, and energy to play behind a partner's back. All the planning, the secret apps you have to communicate with the new supply on, all the dates, manufactured arguments with you just to get their ass out of the house, the random silent treatment like they were mad, it's just a way for them to go communicate with the person they've been cheating on you with. And consider how exhausting that shit gotta be. It would have been easier to just be an adult, be accountable for their actions, apologize, make some compromises, but here's the kicker. Be honest about what the fuck the problems are in that relationship. But instead, they found it easier to play in your face and behind your back. Spend time they had to create out of thin air with the new supply. And that shit right there should tell you how much immaturity, unhealed, avoidant, trifling ass energy they came built with. And just because you see them smiling in new pics, just because they're already planning a wedding, got married, it seems like they're giving the new Rebound everything you asked for, are they? You know, changed. And were they, you know, a match for you? Did you ever feel safe? Did they ever make you feel like you were worthy of meaningful love on a day-to-day basis? Did they communicate transparently? Did they share intimate details? Or were they ultimately withholding your most basic need, make you feel like you were asking too much, and consistently playing on your emotion when all you wanted was a partner to keep it a buck about where you stood in that fucking relationship? You weren't asking for too much. You weren't putting too much pressure on them. Nah, you were merely asking for accountability. And they had neither the willingness, capacity, or both to be what you fucking needed. And that's not a loss if you ask me. That's a big ass win. As always, thank you to every single one of you for tuning in and checking out this video today. If you're new to the channel, become official to the squad. Hit that subscribe button and that bell notification down bottom. Become an official part of a team that will always push you towards personal greatness. I'll be back soon with another new video, but in the meantime, have an amazing day. Stay strong and stay inspired. And as always, until I see you guys next time, peace.